Hi, my name is Arun and we are going to start Max. Jane has 23 apples. Peter has 56 apples. How many apples do they have in all? Are you listening? Then can you please tell me the answer? "23 plus 56 equals 279. I think most of you got it correct. So can we go on to the next question? Oh, you want about more details? I think you want, so I'll teach you. How do we get plus? We get plus from the word which is here. The word all. Then we put plus. Now let's talk about how we get the numbers. The numbers is here, two numbers. So we just take this and put it here. And put this one over here. And we subtract. How to subtract? You plus these two. Because it's a plus, we need to plus. And 5 plus 2 equals 7. And the number 7 is here. So I'll cancel this because we have used and this one either. So that we remember that we have used. Next, we must do 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. So you get the answer 9. Now we are done. You got everything correct? Let's see. I got more details to show you. Let's go. Rain has 34 toy cars. Maju has 78 toys. How many do they have in all? Can you please tell me the equation, then the answer? Then I'll find out if you are listening or not. It is 34 plus 78 equals. Now tell the answer. It is equals to 112. How do we get the answer 112? I think a little bit difficult for this. I think we need to plus this one first. And this one. If we plus together, we get 11. No, we didn't get 11. We get 12. We get 12 with the 12 here. I thought these two make 11, so the 11 is here. But it is wrong. So I already plus these two numbers, so I cross it. Next, I'll plus these two numbers. Then I'll add is 10. You don't need to write down the 0 because it's a 0. You don't need to write down. If you write down 0, the answer will be like this. No, sorry, I didn't mean to write like this. The answer would be like this. Does it look like this? No, right? So the answer must be like this. This is wrong. So did you got it correct? I think the first question you got it all correct, but the second question some people got it wrong. Think so. Let's go to the next question. Roy has 78 toy trucks. Nell has 15 toy trucks. How many toys do they have? Can you tell me the equation, please? Then the answer. It is 78 plus 15 equals to, tell me the answer now. Equals to 93. That's the answer. Because of the second question, some of you get it wrong. I'm going to teach you again. First, plus this second number first and add it. It's like 13. It's 13. So we get this one is 8. This one's 8. How do we get 9? This is 8 what? So this has 13 and the 3 is here. Where is the 1? It's missing. It's missing. The 1 must be plus the 9. The 1 must be plus the 9. The 1 is missing because the 1 is plus. This is 8 and this is 9 because the 1 is plus, that we can't see it. 8 plus 5, 1 equals 8. We plus 1 with 8 equals 9. So the answer is here 9. Did you all got it? I think so. Most of you got it. So I'll go to the next thing. Next, please. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next question. Bye bye.